Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Scientific Fact. So friends, today's video is going to be interesting little bit because friends, today I'm going to talk about the basic concept of numbers, and today I'm going to discuss the different types of numbers because friends, we all are surrounded by numbers, and everywhere we find some numerical figures and we have to deal with numbers in our real life. So friends, today I'll be going to try to make you understand about the numbers, the basic concept, the root, or you can say the base as well. So friends, here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 and so on so on. So we denote them as numbers, we call them as numbers. So these are the numerical facts and we term them as numbers, as you can see, my friend. No friends, the first one is I'm going to talk about that. The first one is the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? So natural numbers are those numbers which starts from 1 to 3 and so on to the infinite. That, as you can see in the definition, numbers starting from 1 to 3 to infinite are called natural numbers, friends. And you can see the example as well. It says 54 7868 and 1920029 and etc. So friends, the numbers which starts from 1 and to the infinite, that comes under natural numbers. And friends, in this category, no negative number or zero comes. So friends, interesting question arises here, that where does zero come? So friends, in the next type of number, that is whole number, so in this category the zero comes. So friends, this is the simple combination of all natural numbers with zero. So friends, as you can see here in the definition, that the numbers starting from 0 1 to 3 to infinite are the combination of all natural numbers with zero are called whole numbers. So friends, these are so simple to understand. Just we have to add zero to the natural numbers and we get the whole numbers. So friends, this is the only extra in whole numbers and all. So we call that all natural numbers are whole numbers, but we don't call that all whole numbers are natural numbers, because friends, in natural numbers we don't have zero, and in whole numbers we include zero. So now friends, let's move forward towards two more types of numbers, that is prime numbers, and the second one is composite numbers. So friends, before moving forward, at first let me make you understand about the concept of factors and multiples. So friends, let's understand about these two terms, factors and multiples. Suppose friends, we take a and b, two numbers here, and suppose we divide a by b. So friends, if a is completely divisible by b, then a is termed as multiple. And if any number divides any number completely, so here in case you can see that b is the number which divides a completely, so b is termed as factor. So friends, you can take another example. Suppose we have 9 and 3, and if I divide 9 upon 3, we get 3. So here you can see that 3 is factor because it divides the number exactly, so this is termed as factor. And then the number which is divided by a number, that is termed as the multiple of that number. So friends, now I hope you have understood about the concept of factors and multiples. Now let's move towards prime numbers. So friends, prime numbers are the numbers whose factors are only one and itself. As you can see in the definition, the numbers having factors 1 and itself only are called prime numbers, because friends, you can see 2 3 5 7 11 and etc. So friends, suppose if we try to find out the factors, you'll get factors 2, you'll get 1 and 2 only, and there's no more numbers which can divide 2 completely. In case of 3 you can observe, in case of 5, so 7 and 11, and there are so many examples in which of prime numbers in which you can observe that there are only two factors, that is 1 and itself only. Now friends, there's one more types of number, that is composite numbers. The composite numbers is little bit is different from prime numbers, because friends, composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. More than two factors. As you can see, friends, the 4, 6, 8, 9, 12. Suppose we take 12, so we have 2, 3, 6, 12. So friends, we get that 12 has more than two factors. So friends, so here you can just observe that the basic difference between natural numbers and whole numbers, that this natural numbers does not include 0, but whole numbers include 0. And the basic difference between these two types of numbers is that it has only two factors, that is 1 and itself, but in case of composite number it has more than two factors. So friends, I hope you have understood, and if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And friends, I'm going to make one more video related to the types of numbers. So friends, stay tuned with us, and thanks for watching this video.